Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. Article that caught my attention was Vodafone enlists blockchain nonprofit for tracking renewable energy use in Europe. With solar panels flooding power grids with more electricity than some utility companies may know how to handle, telecom giant Vodafone and blockchain nonprofit EnergyWeb have devised a communications solution. As we get into the article, the Vodafone blockchain lead, David Palmer, said that the SIM's private key infrastructure allows devices to sign transactions on the EnergyWeb blockchain, all while remaining secure. And in the long run, this could lead to a creation of a new digital energy marketplace powered by blockchain, he said. And that was something that I was very interested in. As we get into the next article here, we have the blockchain technology diving right into this same issue and concern. Poseidon is developing a platform that will use smart contracts to trade and track carbon credits based on Stellar, the FBA or BFT based blockchain. And Poseidon, a carbon ecosystem on the blockchain. Poseidon's model is pretty ingenious and very creative. Basically, users will be able to track and manage their carbon footprint through an app that connects consumers and retailers and allows them to see the carbon footprint of every purchase they make, and then offset it by buying carbon credits. This will allow users to support retailers based on their eco-friendliness and companies to approve that they are operating in a sustainable manner in which they are responsible for their carbon footprint. Then as we got into another article I wanted to share, telecom giant Vodafone explores blockchain to verify its suppliers. And as we get into this article, the Trust Your Supplier was jointly developed by tech giant IBM and blockchain company Chainyard last summer. Alongside Vodafone, the network's founding members include tech companies Cisco, Lenovo, Nokia, Schneider Electric, and British pharmaceutical company GlaxoSmithKline, among others. And then from there, we have Trust Your Supplier is a jointly collaborated project summer last year with efforts coming from IBM and Chainyard. The big names that helped found the network, apart from Vodafone, include Cisco, Lenovo, Nokia, Schneider Electric, and major pharmaceutical corporation from the UK, GlaxoSmithKline, among others. Then we have here the supply chain involvement overseeing the flow of goods and services such as tracking the movement and storage of raw materials, inventory, and finished goods. It has been identified as one area that can benefit from blockchain technology, a shared database maintained by a network of computers connected to the internet. The new blockchain network is called Trust Your Supplier alongside IBM. And other founding participants were Anheuser-Busch, InBev, Cisco, GlaxoSmithKline, Lenovo, Nokia, Schneider Electric, and Vodafone. Another article, corporates collaborate with IBM and Chainyard on supply chain blockchain network. Then as we read some in the article, IBM and Chainyard have announced Trust Your Supplier, TYS, which is a blockchain network designed to improve supplier qualification, validation, onboarding, and lifecycle information management. And I'd like to finish it off with one more addition. Directly from the cybersecurity leader Blockchain, LinkedIn joined Chainyard as a cybersecurity lead analyst for our expanding blockchain team. Chainyard is an emerging leader in blockchain technology and application delivery. We accelerate the development of blockchain infrastructure, middleware, and decentralized applications. Our teams bring extensive experience in architecting, designing, building, testing, securing and operating complex distributed systems to help early adopters of blockchain technology succeed. We work with multiple blockchain technologies including Hyperledger, Fabric, Ethereum, and Stellar. All right, guys, that should get you pretty excited if you were not already. I want to leave you with a final thought. Happiness is found when you stop comparing yourself to other people. All right, guys, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Hit the like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.